So the Glide Gear OH100 is a nice little kit for top-down videos, but if you're like me and you have a mirrorless camera with a dirty great big lens, this is my 16 to 55mm on my Fuji mirrorless here. For my top-down videos, I can't actually zoom in or out, and it's quite difficult to go and open up the screen at the top there as it's going to hit there. One way that you can solve this is by adding a ball head with a quick release plate. And so there it is attached to the overhead rig with the ball head and the quick release plate, which is flush against there. An added bonus is I have a lot more space on the camera to zoom in and out, and also I can easily open up the screen.